Alright, I'm going to throw on my Kak Gear Deluxe Anchor Trolley kit. I got this on Amazon. I have no idea how much it costs, but I'll put the link in the description. The first step is to put the pulleys on. And it says, if you have inside access, which on this end of the kayak, I have access. So we're still going to use the same pieces, which are these right here. And all you do, if you have inside access, is drill the small hole, put this on the other side, and just tighten it up. In the front, what we're going to do is drill a 3/8 hole, put this entire thing in the hole. So once that goes in there, that'll start to expand and tighten up. They say you're supposed to go 3 inches below the deck, 8 to 12 inches back. All I gotta do is start by putting the first hole in it. So there's pretty much no turning back now. Cross my fingers I don't mess up. Get this other hole in. And I'm at the bow, and I can't reach in here. This here, it's all the deeper it is. So, like I said, drill these holes. This is gonna go down the hole. Now, got that started. You gotta mark the other hole. I'll just use this drill bit. The directions say do not put silicone on these because they'll just spin, they won't grip, and then they're not gonna collapse and create a seal. So, but you will use silicone on the rest of the screws, on the self-tapping screws. That actually works very well. I mean, you can hear it. I don't want to go too far there, but yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. All right, so when you put these pad eyes on, you just go halfway between the pulley and the center. Like I said, I found halfway. I'm gonna put the cleat. I'm gonna put this zigzag cleat right here. Put the other pad eye up there, and then we can string it. Here we go. I really don't know why I put that on there, but either way. And then you throw these on the back side, somewhere handy here. Now this is the zigzag cleat. They tell you just put this wherever is most comfortable to grab. So I jumped in the kayak, and like I said, this is pretty much where my hand lands. Okay. Crossing through these. The other one. Through here. So I'll attach this here. So next we'll get the other end of the line, put it through this piece of shrink wrap, and then they said just slide it out of the way. Loop the rope around a corner of the tether and crimp the end of the rope. So they want you to crimp that on there. I'm just gonna put this on here. I have a knot on one end, hog rings on the other, and this is it. loop right now. Okay, so a couple things that I'm not going to be able to do. I don't think I have a lighter. Stick this through here, this shrink wrap here, and this here, of course. We'll just tighten it up like so. That's going to go here. And I could cut this, stick this in here. So I guess what I could do is put that half hitch all the way down here in case I do loosen this up, because this will shrink, so I can loosen it up, and then if I have to I can tighten it. I'm just going to cut it right here. I don't see any need for any more. Better safe than sorry. Now I do need a lighter. Put this down here. So I tighten up like that, loosen it up, throw this in here, loosen it a little bit more. Okay, time to test it out. Got the old anchor to the front. Tie it off. Okay, so here it is. Oh, I got my anchor tied on. All I'm going to do is drop it down. So there I am, all the way to the front, and you can see how fast. Facing upstream. All the way to the back, and just like that, I'm facing downstream.